Okay, hi guys. Today I want to explain about DigiTek tripod, and this is, let me unfold it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, this is the tripod and we have a lot of features in it. So let's see how can we use this tripod. So first unlock this. Okay, and lock it. Unlock, lock it. So do it on the three sides. Lock it. So let's see. So this we can use like this, and again if you want, put it there and extend. Okay guys, so let's see how can we fix a DSLR on this. So if you take, this is a key locker, so this is locker. So how can we fix the camera to it? So first unlock it and take down. If you see, you find a lock key here, so fix it to this. Fix it tightly, and after this you just make sure it fixed to it. Before that you just hold it. Now it's locked, so we can rotate it anywhere, whatever you want, down, up, wherever it is. Still, if you want to see extra feature of it, so it can go for top and bottom up. So now we can see. So if this move it, so we can move top, up, bottom. We can take top pictures. And so if you want to fix it, rotate it. Just now it fixed. So it cannot move. Okay. Now let's see. So if this is a landscape mode, let's take portrait mode. So see, this is the key. So just unlock it. So we can rotate. So multiple head. So this is the view. If you want to take portrait picture, so you can take it in this mode, and you just again keep it back. Okay. So that's it.